Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the goldmine of sales data to uncover hidden trends, profit driver, and actionable insight that can help any business grow. Let's break it down. First up, sales by customer segment. The data shows corporate leads with 50.56% of total sales, followed by home office at 30.74%. But here's the kicker: while customer sales are lower, 18.7%, corporate driver higher profit margin. Tailored promotion for corporate clients and maximum profits, and rethink discount strategies for customer segment to boost margin. Next, category performance. Technology dominates both sales, $0.98 million, and profit $0.76 million. But office supplies has a grainy issue, low profit margin despite decent sales. Tightening discount controls on office suppliers and bundle them with high margin tech products to lift profitability. Meet the best seller. Canon Image Classic Printer and Fellow Setter Drive. Massive revenue, and shout out to top customer like Sin Miller and contribute $25K in sales. Reward high value customers with loyalty program and upsell complementary products. Example, toner for printer. Sales are not evenly distributed. Central and East region takes in profit, while shipping the data reveals 59% of customers prefer standard class. Optimization idea: offer unexpected shipping upsell in high profit region to boost revenue. Profit margin took a nosedive in some segment, but overall sales grew steadily. The lesson: growth not equal to profitability. How to fix it? Audit cost structure for low margin segment and invest in high margin areas like technologies. Data does not lie. Whatever you are, a small biz or a giant, this insight can transform your steadily. Drop a comment. Which tip will you try first? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more data driven breakdowns. See you next time.